imaginary line, right? Make an imaginary line. You have to follow the line, but you have to glide like this and put your legs in the center.
Oh, good. You're learning.
Yeah, that's how you do it, and you always bend your knee. It's okay. That's how I started. I push it slowly. Slow. I'm too slow. Slower than you, but then actually if I go, keep going, and it's more, the faster I practice, the more I practice, the faster I get. It's okay to fall. It's just a part of so you have to glide back sideward. You have to concentrate, look where you're going.
Listen to your coach. Good. You're learning. Sit up. Keep it up. Yes, that's my angel.
Good actually.
Oh, Nini, you drop your... Nini, put on your gloves. Put them on.
Why did you put it here?
Angelo.
Okay, it's okay because it's
Nimo!
okay, you may put it back. You put it back. And then when you're
Kunin mo si Nimo muna.
when
Ayun
you're
o.
done,
Kunin mo na siya. What are you doing? Put them on.
no, Amako.
Huh?
It hurts over here when I dance.
Oh.
I can do this.
Yeah, do it yourself. Wait at the back, front of you. Good. Glide.